two journals that I've made, and they're two autumn themed journals, and I've used two of our ARTYmaze's kits. One is called A Touch of Autumn, which I've named that one, and the other one is called Autumn Splendor. So I will link both of these kits in the description box below, but what I've done is I've kind of mixed and matched them a little bit with the ephemera and things like that. So like I said, they're traveller's notebooks. They are 8 1/4 by 4.5, and each one has 88 pages front and back, and I will start with this one. I've used this kind of dark green cardstock, and I've sewn that onto some coffee dyed cardstock, and I've done the usual layering. This is one of the images from the A Touch of Autumn and it's been stitched onto some coffee dyed paper. Let's see if I can do this without getting it in a knot. Yeah, this is going to go on a knot. Tried this already and I had to stop, and I got it in a knot. Ta-da! Okay, done it. So like I said, 88 pages. The insides are just plain coffee dyed, and they've got a shimmer to it. And like I said, the main pages in this one is from the new kit, A Touch of Autumn. And I've just kind of chopped a little bit off the edges to make the traveller's notebook size. And inside I've used some of the pockets from that kit as well. And this tag is from the Autumn Splendor, but like I said, I've mixed and matched them all. The little journaling cards I've just backed onto some index cards and then just put a little tab on there. And I've just done some stamping on the tops of some of the pages. This doily is from a Tattered Dream, and I will link that below as well. Some edge punching paper bags, some Edith Holden. This is from the old design shop. And I just made some large journal cards and just stamped on the leaf and done some stenciling and some corner punching. Here I've just made up a little book with some coffee dyed paper, and there is a tab on here. Lots of journaling room. Here I've just made a big pocket. These will be listed in my shop. You could actually put a smaller pocket on there. This little embellishment there is from the kit as well. Tags have been sewn onto coffee dyed paper. Love this page, love the butterfly. Here I've just done a pocket, and I've got a like a circle embellishment there. I've got a journaling card here, I'm not sure if it's that way around, and a double journaling card there, and that just pops in the pockets. Another doily from Denise's shop, A Tattered Dream. Paper bag, Edith Holden. Here we just have, this is actually a freebie, I think it's on Andrea's website, that's ARTYmaze's website, and just a large piece of ephemera from the old design shop. Got another tab here. So lots of journaling room, Edith Holden, and I've made that into a pocket. Paper bag, some edge punching, the doily, another pocket here. This is just a little booklet. Here we have another large journaling tag and a piece of ephemera from the old design shop. Everyone's linked below. If I've forgot anyone and you need to know, just ask and I will get back to you at some point. Oh, little envelope, and I just put some coffee dyed paper in there, so it's just folded up and paper clipped on there like so. And then we just have another one of these postcards. I've just tucked that in behind there. Another Edith Holden pocket there, journaling card inside there, and that is from the Autumn Splendor kit. Paper bag, edge punching, doily, and here we just have a corner pocket with one of the embellishments backed onto some cardstock. Here's some decorative scissors and then some lace fabric on the back. Another large journaling card, little mason jars there, another one of these, and that is a flip down little kind of tablet, and that's an idea from Climmy, who is linked below as well. Oops, this doesn't want to go in. There we go. And the last page, so that is that one. I'll do a quick flip of the other one. Again, same measurements, same amount of pages. Use this image on the front, and this one is Autumn Splendor. That's the cardstock, again sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock, and the pages on here are slightly smaller. I don't know why. I don't know what happened when I was printing them, and so I've just kind of done it so you can see the edge, the punched edge poking out of there. We've got another pocket there, double journaling card. So these two kits actually really go nicely together, and you can get them on Andrea's Etsy or what do you call it, website. Large journaling card, another little booklet, and I've printed out which one was it now, I can't remember. I think it was Autumn Splendor. I've printed out, and I'm going to do a big chunky journal tomorrow with that one. It's all been printed and coffee dyed, just ready to cut it all up and build it all together. Another pocket there from one of the kits, little booklet, paper bag, Edith Holden. We've got another postcard with some ephemera from the old design shop. Tab, lots of journaling room, pockets here, or a tuck I should say, little tuck, other side of the paper bag, another pocket here. Pockets and everything are the same in both, and the ephemera is slightly similar. That again is an idea from Climmy, like the other one, just pops in there, tucks in there. That was a good idea, that, with a little, using the tab to tuck things in. Sorry, I forgot to show that page. Another large tag with the leaves, some ephemera from the old design shop. And that just pops on there. Another little envelope with postcard there. And that's just some, same as the other one, some coffee dyed paper to journal on. Just paper clipped on. I mean, you could do other things with some of the ephemera and embellishments in this that are not stuck down. You can make other pockets and tucks with them. Little envelope with a matching journaling card. Just pops in there, and the tag goes in behind, and that is the back. So So that is that one. So that is Autumn Splendor, and this is A Touch of Autumn, and that's how I will name them in my shop, on my website. Like I said, I will link both the kits below, and also a Tattered Dream, and you can go over and take a peek. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.